price on the shore rose 7.1% year to date over last year to $375,000. It's Friday, October 4th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Inventory rose again this report 1.2% to 1,793. 108 properties are due on the market soon. New contracts are up 8% to 173 this week. 175 homes sold in 26 days at 98.2% list to sold ratio. Homes rose to 119 for lease at $2,100 median per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, October 4th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.